I'm in Baguio and I haven't really done any makeup tutorial videos for you guys because I've been so busy. But last night we had a dinner with some of my husband's suppliers, and I really put on makeup last night because naman, wife duties. So, ang ganda nung pagkakalagay ko. And I actually posted the picture of that on my Instagram, and I'll show it to you later. And I thought that makeup was so good, and I said I have to do it today. So hello, for those of you who just joined in, my name is Susie and I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. So if you reach the end of this video and you like the content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. So of course, the very first thing that I'll be doing is moisturizer, because that's always the thing about me, is that I need to put on my moisturizer because it's really healthier to, if you apply moisturizer before makeup, because talagang it moisturizes your skin. It protects your skin, I guess, and it retains the longevity of your makeup. So yes, if you're wondering where I am, I'm in the hotel bathroom in our hotel room. Maganda lighting dito, kaya sabi ko, let's do a get ready with me here. Now that I've applied my moisturizer, we're gonna go on and apply my primer, my favorite one, the Endless G Aqua Grip Primer from Vice Cosmetics. Alam nyo na yan. You've seen me apply this like a gazillion times already. Here in Baguio, alam nyo naman, malamig dito. So talagang, I love it because my makeup is not runny and I am enjoying the weather right now. Like, I know, pagbalik sa Manila, talaga, init. Alright, next is my concealer. And just, I have my mirror here, by the way. It's up here. Okay, dyan lang kasi I didn't bring any concealer brush. So I'm just gonna use my foundation brush because it's just all over the eyes. To be honest, like with concealer, I really find it more natural. Sa totoo lang, if I could just put concealer alone. But sometimes I really want that coverage. And I'm gonna use all the stuff that I used last night. The Lumimatte. This is amazing. My gosh, amazing product from Maybelline. And just a small, super small lang because hindi natin totodohin. It's just a smart casual affair. So not too high on the makeup today. Actually, last night, I didn't put on a super full-on makeup, but I really went and applied red lipstick. So I love this foundation. Grabe to. Super. Alright, now that I've applied this, let me just try to finish off what's left on my hand. And just to make sure that everything is like tucked in, I'm gonna try to press on my foundation onto my skin. Second skin, yun ang dating niya eh. I forgot to bring eyeshadow, so I've been using my Milani Baked Blush to color up my eyes. Yeah, and I've been doing that kahit kanina. Last night, I applied contour. So here it is. So just here, and then kailangan pantay. Here, a little bit here, and here. Here, the game changer of all. Yeah, I call it the game changer because it really just changed the way I use the contour stick. That technique is just so crazy amazing. So now let's blend. Start here. Like last night, it was so perfect. Like the way that I applied my makeup last night, I felt like, wow, kakaiba yung nagawa ko kagabi. I try my best to keep recreating the looks that I've done under my chin. In that picture, like sabi ko nga, my gosh, contouring does a lot to your face. Ang galing. I am just so blown away. Now here. This is such a game changer, I swear. Naiba tuloy yung aking contour game. And because I've gained, I feel like I'm bloated and I've gained weight during this first quarter of the year. So I feel like I really need to do the contouring so that, I feel like my face is snatched or chiseled. So that's the look. And then I'm gonna use I'll be applying my eyebrow this time. This is not my normal eyebrow pencil. I left mine in Manila. So this is not as precise, but it's okay. It is still good despite its lack of precision. Okay, that's good enough. I am really so tempted to apply a bit of, I'll do it because that's how I did it last night. So I applied a little bit of, patungan ko na lang ulit. Naglagay ako ng konting contour kasi iba talaga eh kapag may konting brown in the eye, or maybe it's just me na mahilig sa browns. And then let's go back to the blush. Gosh, I really hope you're seeing this because ano talaga eh, the lighting might be too bright, but if I put less ilaw, dilim naman. So, okay, I have here my Bis eyeliner and it's just here. Hindi na ako nag-create ng wing. Dito lang siya. So, wala rin akong brush for the wing. Isa pa yung nalimutan ko rin magdala. Okay, there you go. A little bit of mascara. My O2O mascara. Yeah, if you hear the TV, that's my husband watching his favorite naman, food vlogs. And he particularly likes Mark Queens. So, kaya, ayun, nanonood. Alright, I'm done with the eyes. And now we're gonna move on to powder because, I need the powder before I apply the blush. So I am using the Moonwave NARS Light Reflecting Prismatic Powder. Yeah, I love this, by the way. Grabe to. Ang galing ng powder na to. I mean, I'm so thankful it was gifted to me because it's amazing. The formula is so good. It lasts. Like, I don't need to reapply. It's nice and matte. If I want to put more, pwede rin. Okay din. Hindi siya super overpowering. Like, okay, now, my favorite. My MAC lip liner in Cherry. Diba? Ang ganda. And then what I would normally do is try to like fill in the inner corners of my lips. Then fill it in. See? Liner pa lang. Pack na yung color, see? Oh, by the way, before I applied my lip liner, I made sure to put this Burt's Bees Glass and Glow one. I want the moisture to really seep into my lips. And now my another favorite, my MAC Ruby Woo Maximal Lipstick. So guys, this is what I normally do with red lipstick. So, ayan, nag-apply na ako, di ba? I'm going to blot it. And then I'm going to reapply a little bit more again. Just to return some of the excess that yung bang saktong nagbalik lang ako para sa mga patches na biglang nawala. This is me. This was my makeup last night and I am... Wait, let me just show you in another angle. So, this is me. This was me last night. Like, this is how I wore my hair last night when I took the photo. I love Ruby Woo. Like, look at the red lip. It's so amazing. And then my face, like, I only applied minimal makeup. Look at the foundation. Ang ganda. I love it. Here I am tonight, and that is it for today's video. I sure hope to see you again on the next. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye!